in terms of my top tips, again, there should be a slight amendment on this slide, but there is no such thing as a bad icebreaker. Of course, there is a bad icebreaker out there, but there's no line within the limit. The one I found the riskiest has generally been that peanut butter and ketchup one, because a lot of people are like, oh, that's too gross, too this. But at least it stimulated a discussion in the classroom. That was the main part of it. We've already had a little discussion today in terms of the actual Vevox, using, would you rather this, would you rather that, multiple choice question here. And it's how you use these to essentially effectively describe yourself or effectively describe a common task in the day. One of the questions I quite like using is, how easily did you find this room on campus? How easily did you find this lecture room? So hopefully that can be kind of generalized to everybody, hopefully in the school today. And then the last few in this today, before we flip back to the Vevox, is if in doubt, always fight 10 duck-sized horses, because that is the best thing to fight, in my opinion. And I will argue that whoever would like to argue that, that's fine. So I'm going to flip back to the Vevox one last time. And I'm going to see, hopefully, if this has stuck in today. What makes a good icebreaker question after you just listened to me for the last sort of 30 minutes? And I'm hopeful you've had some tips and tricks thrown in there. I've tried to give some anecdotes, and yeah, let's see what you have with me today, my seminar cohort of about 50 of you. So yeah, I'm seeing it's kind of translating across geared, low stakes options, opinion-based, fun, quirky, word clouds, anything, conversations in the word clouds. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, this is ideal for me in terms of what I wanted to translate across, which is great.